I heard that you settled down and you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. I guess she gave you things. Why you so shy? Ain't like you now. Hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. Couldn't fight it. I'd hope you'd see my face. That you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Yeah.